Welcome back to Asia Kitchen Paper. I'm Acid, this is Oats. Let's fry up some pork.
Let's go!
So let's start off by shredding up some cabbage. And by some cabbage, I mean an entire half of a cabbage. Why? Because fiber is our friend, ladies and gentlemen. Off to the side. Now let's prep our piggies. Grab some piggy shoulders and then cut out some of the fat. And then you're going to stab it with a fork. What did this piggy ever do to you? Now once you're done double tapping him, give him a bit of a salt, maybe a bit of cracker pepper, and set it off to the side because we're going to make our crumbing. So line up 3 medium-sized bowls. In the first bowl, add some breadcrumbs or panko. Then in the second bowl, add some flour. And then in that last bowl, add in 1 perfectly fine eggo. Once it's all mixed up, add in about 4 tablespoons of flour into that egg mix because this eggy mess is about to become your batter. So make sure everybody is nice and whisked together. Then once you have the consistency of pancake mix, add in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And again, give everybody a nice mixity mix. And you're ready to go, let's do it. So, let's do this. It goes egg mix, flour, egg mix again, and then straight into the panko. Now once they're absolutely completely coated, pop them off to the side, and any vengeful piggy spirits are more or less contained. Let's get our oil ready. So pour in copious amounts of oil into a nice medium pan there. And then we're going to get that up to 180 degrees and then plop in our piggy boys. And just fry until golden. And then onto a kitchen paper lined tray. Alrighty, time to plate up. So put an enormous amount of cabbage on one side of your plate. And now let's quickly choppity chop up our piggy into lovely finger licking fingies. And no tonkatsu plate would be complete without tomatoes. Chop about 1/4 of a tomato into nice wedges. What a beautiful garnish. And then of course the creme de la creme tonkatsu sauce. Make sure you pour sauce all over the chopping board as well, but while you do this. And there you go, she's ready. Our drink tonight is Zeitaku Shiburi lemon flavored. Using that lemon juice to cut through that fat. Now then, just a couple of tips to make sure that you get this absolutely perfect. As with all fried foods, please keep it frying on 180 degrees Celsius, so that means adjusting the temperature every so often. And for that second tip, you're either going to have to wait a few days, or if it's already come out, it'll be linked above. Cool, that's rough. Who knew that cooking videos could have cliffhangers? You're just going to have to find out. So like and subscribe and comment down below if you've had a go at this. Now it's my turn to grab a plate. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.